this tutorial, I will explain how to export Substance Painter project textures to Unity. So first of all, you prepare folder inside. I don't know. It depends on your project. So you can just create folder here in Assets, or just follow where the developers want you to export your stuff. So I made a folder here. It's called turret, and I always make three folders. One is FBX, and one is material, and one is textures. So first of all, I go to textures and show in Explorer this one, and I copy the file directory. And here I can press Ctrl Shift E, or just go here and press Export Textures. Then here you in Output Template you go to, mostly we use URP, Universal Render Pipeline, especially for mobile and VR games. It depends on the project, of course. Sometimes you use this one, and sometimes you can use Unreal. So for our case, for a VR game, we use this one. Then you can pick any texture you want. So usually something we do is to export always in 2K. So if you keep it based on each texture size, it will follow this one. So we always use 2K, and then in Unity we compress it to 1K or 512. Okay. So first of all we pick the folder, then we go to the size, then we check here. So we have transparency, which is the base color, and then smoothness metallic. Here the normal, and here the emission. In case we have emission, in this case we do have. So sometimes in like optimized mobile games or VR, like old gen VR, like Quest 1 and maybe Quest 2, we don't use normal. So you can uncheck this, and also we don't use metalness. So, but for this case, let's use normal and base color and emission. That's it. Okay, so directory, this one template, size better keep it this one. So always change here, and then pick what you want to export, and then we go export. No errors, everything is green, is fine. Finish. Okay. So we have the three textures we exported: the base color, albedo, and emission and normal. For this one, we go here and make it a normal map and go apply. Okay. Then for the FBX, I go to my project in Maya and export it here. Give me a second. Turret, this one, and we have the turret. Okay. I have many things here, so don't mind me. We have everything is here fine. Okay, then let me delete this just for this tutorial and export it, and same directory but not textures. Oops. So go FBX and we say turret. Export. Okay. So now we have the turret here. Now there's two options. Either you go here and click new material, or I prefer go here, and sometimes you have many materials here. So you go extract material, you go to the material folder and select, and done. That's it. So you select it here, it will go select from the folder automatically. So I go here and make sure this is white. Always make sure this is white. Sometimes it exports in gray, especially in Maya. So I go white. Then I start drag and drop my textures here and here. And for emission, you need to activate it, check it, and go white. And emission. Done. So now if I drag and drop my 3D model, it works fine. It works perfect, and I can change the emission anything I want. Can add plus one like this. Cool. And maybe you can control metallic. Okay. So for this case, I didn't use metallic map because it's a VR game. But for your case or any case, you can export this one thickness, not thickness, metalness. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Now, when you wanna export it to the developers, you just go to the FBX, right click, export package. In Unity 6, there is this one. It's not included in other versions, only in the Unity 6. So it makes your life easier. So it deletes. I mean, it just hide all the scripts. So you don't need to export the scripts as a designer, as an artist. You click here and double check FBX material and your textures and just hit export and export it anywhere you want. Then you get package and you upload that package. That's it.